Ever feel like your Beam wallet balance is a mystery? You're not alone. We all know that feeling. You sent some Beam, maybe received some, but you're not sure exactly how much is chilling in your wallet. Well, today, we're cutting through the fog and showing you exactly how to check your Beam wallet balance. Stick around, because this is about to get crystal clear. Understanding your Beam wallet balance is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it allows you to track your spending and ensure you're not overspending. Secondly, it gives you peace of mind knowing your funds are secure and accessible. And finally, it's simply good financial hygiene. So, let's dive in and learn how to check your Beam wallet balance like a pro. Method 1. Using the Beam Wallet app, if applicable. If you're using the official Beam Wallet app on your smartphone, checking your balance is a breeze. Open the app, simply tap the app icon to launch it. Unlock your wallet, enter your PIN or use your biometric authentication, fingerprint or Face ID, to unlock your wallet. View your balance. Once unlocked, your current Beam balance should be prominently displayed on the main screen. It's usually shown in the center or at the top of the screen. Check transaction history. Most wallet apps also allow you to view your transaction history. This is where you can see all incoming and outgoing transactions, giving you a complete picture of your wallet activity. Method 2. Using a desktop wallet, if applicable. If you prefer using a desktop wallet, the process might vary slightly depending on the specific wallet you're using. However, the general steps are similar. Open your wallet, launch the desktop wallet application. Unlock your wallet, enter your wallet password or use your chosen unlocking method. View your balance. Once unlocked, your current Beam balance will be displayed on the main screen or within a specific balance overview section. Check transaction history. Most desktop wallets also provide a transaction history tab or window where you can review all past transactions. Important notes. Security. Always prioritize wallet security. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, if available, and be wary of phishing attempts. Network fees. Be mindful of network fees when sending or receiving Beam. These fees are used to incentivize miners and ensure transactions are processed smoothly. Stay updated. Keep your wallet software updated to the latest version to benefit from bug fixes, security enhancements, and new features. Checking your Beam wallet balance is a simple yet essential step in managing your cryptocurrency. By following these methods, you can easily monitor your funds and ensure you have a clear understanding of your financial situation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.